Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I will show you how to find your Golden One Credit Union account number. Whether you are setting up bank wires, automatic deposits, or just need the number, this guide will walk you through the steps for both online and mobile banking. Let's get started. If you are using online banking, log into your account through Golden One's website. Once signed in, go to the accounts page and click on the account you want. On the account details page, select account information. A pop-up window will appear showing your full account number. If you are on the go, you can use the Golden One mobile banking app from the home screen. Tap on the desired account. At the top of the screen, you will see your account number masked for security. Simply tap the eye icon to reveal the full account number. And don't forget Golden One's routing number for personal and sole proprietor accounts is 3211752661. For business services account, it's 121182852. If you are not enrolled in online banking yet, you are missing out on convenient access to your account details. Visit Golden One's website or contact their member service center at 1-877-465-3361 to get started today. And that's it. Finding your Golden One account number is easy and accessible through online or mobile banking. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more how to's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.